Goben, do you know in which area is accused number 4 coming from? In which area is accused number 4 coming from?
Ngabe uyazi yini ukuthi ke umsolo wesine ubuya kusiphi isigodi?
Yebo ngiyazi.
Yes, I do know.
Where is he coming from?
Ubuya kuphi?
KwaNongoma uSuthu.
KwaNongoma uSuthu.
Under cross-examination on the 2nd of October 2023, I'm now quoting the passage that is under cross-examination on the 2nd of October 2023. That is at line 2 to 7. It reads as follows. When Kwabeni introduced to you, what did he say? Where was he coming from? Did he tell you where was he coming from? That is accused number 4. And the response of Constable Zungu was that he said he was coming from Opiswen. Opiswen.
Umeli ke ufunda lana ke nkathi ke kwahlonye imibuzo kuyena ke uConstable Zungu ukuthi ke uma ebuzwa ukuthi ke uma ngabe uGwabeni emethula kuwena uMaphisa wathi ubuya kuphi, waphendula ke uZungu wathi Ophisweni.
Do you know that area?
Uyayazi leyo ndawo?
Ingiyazi
Area.
ngisiphi.
I do know Ophisweni.
Where is it located?
Ikuphi nendawo?
Isemahlabathini.
It is in Mahlabathini.
I'm going to be referring to various passages of the evidence in chief of Constable Zungu, which was tendered on the 7th of September 2023. On the 7th of September 2023, at page 4, line 25, and page 5, line 1 to 4, he said the following. That is now at the stage when he was being led by my colleague, Advocate Banel. Okay, he invited me to come to First Loras. I told him that it was still early because it was around 7:15. And on that day I was still going to go to work. I then informed him that when I knock off work, I will then be able to go to him. Close quotation.
Ufunda ke kubufakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu othi ke wambizile ukuthi eze eFosloras wasekutshela ke yena ukuthi cha kwakusesekuseni kakhulu ke ngaleso sikhathi leso nokuthi futhi wayizoqala ke emsebenzini ngalelo langa lelo. Athi ke uma ebuya emsebenzini ke eze kuwena.
Namanga.
He's telling lies.
Do you know where Constable Zungu was employed?
Ingabe uyazi ukuthi wayesebenza kuphi uConstable Zungu?
2020. Sikhuluma
Around
2020.
2014, during that period of 2014.
Ngesikhathi ka 2014.
Angamazi.
I didn't know.
He told this court that during the period of 2014 was stationed at Tembisa police station.
Yena ke akutshela lenkantolo ukuthi ngo2014 yena wayesebenzela police station yaseThembisa.
Did you know that? Or you did
Wakwazi
not?
lokho?
Hayi angakazi.
No, I didn't know.
Did you have his contact details? That is the contact number.
Wawunayo inamba yakhe?
Angenayo.
I didn't have it.
From the record of the 7th of September 2023, at page 3, line 14, Constable Zungu testified to the following. He testified that he knew Mthokozi Sen, that is accused number 4. He also remembered him from Phosphorus, but not back home.
Ubufakazi ke abethula ke la enkantolo Constable Zungu washo ukuthi ke wayemazi ke uMthokoziseni kodwa athi ke umkhumbulela khona eFosforus hayi ukuthi umazela emakhaya.
Do you know if Constable Zungu knew Mr. Mapisa before court?
Ingabe nalo yini ulwazi lokuthi ke uConstable Zungu wayemazi uMapisa
Before court.
Oh, uyazana noma uyazana yini noMapisa?
Angangenalo.
I didn't have.
He further told this court in the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 9, line 4 to 6. He said the following, and I quote, "My Lord, may I indicate that I'll also be asking question in respect of accused number 5
Yeah,
in the
fine.
absence of my colleague,
Right.
Advocate Mshola.
Yeah.
Thank you. He said the following, okay, accused number 5, I knew him as Nkani, or he is said to be Nduli. So he is said to be Nkani, but I knew him as being from Zungu at the time, or as being a Zungu.
Uma ebuzwa ngaye ke Ntuli washo ke wathi ke uyamazi ke futhi ke umazi ukuthi ke ubuya kwaZungu.
Awunamanga.
I was telling lies.
He also said the following in the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023. Okay, whilst we were seated there, accused number 5 then requested a certain gentleman to ask me to just give way because I parked right behind him so that I could just reverse. I did that and I went back inside. Close quotation.
Kubekekile ke kubufakazi bakhe ke ngebazo i7 zika September 2023 wathi ke kunesikhathi la khona kumsolo wesihlanu wacela kumlisa thizeni ukuthi ke acele yena ukuthi nje asuse imoto yakhe njengoba imoto yakhe uZungu yayime emuva kwemoto yakhe kumsolo wesihlanu.
Unamanga.
He's telling lies.
Under cross-examination, he told this court that the person that accused number 5 had requested was Snako Sbiya.
Ubufakazi bakhe ke wathi umuntu ke owayeceliwe ke noma umuntu owacelwa ukuthi ke noma umuntu owacelwa unumber 5 ukuthi ayocela yena Zungu ukuthi asuse imoto kwakusinako Sibiya.
Awunamanga.
He's telling lies.
You confirm that you had earlier told this court under when you were being questioned by my colleague that Snako Sbiya was not at the hostel on that day.
Uyavuma ukuthi ushilo ke uma ubuzwa uyena ke ubaba Msipile ukuthi uSnako wayengekho ehostel ngalelo langa lelo.
Yebo.
Yes.
He further told this court that on the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 9, line 20, that accused number 5 was driving a grey Polo hatchback. What is your comment?
Ubufakazi bakhe ke washo ke ukuthi ke umsola wesihlanu wayehamba ke ngepolo eyayisilver ngombala hatchback.
Awunamanga.
He's telling lies.
He told this court that he did not look at the registration number of that grey Polo hatchback.
Ubufakazi bakhe ke washo ke ukuthi ke akazange ayibheke ke inamba noma ke i-registration number yayo ke ipolo leyo.
Awunamanga.
He's telling lies.
There is also other parts of evidence which was tendered by the state before this court, which is Exhibit AAA1 of the record. The version that was put to the witnesses, to Brigadier Keninda, was that accused number 5 had hired a silver VW Polo from Bonacoma Fleet and Shuttle Service, and that vehicle had registration number or plate to the following: CT79YZGP.
Ubufakazi ke lana ke obethuliwe ke ukuthi ke umsola wehlanu unemoto ke ayiqashileke noma ke lokhu phecelezi kuthiwa uhaya imoto kwakuyipolo silver ngombala inombolo ke noma i-registration ile eqeda ukufundwa ke manje.
Hayi nama.
He's telling lies.
Then the question to you, Kwabeni, is on the 26th of October 2014, did you see accused number 5 driving this VW Polo with registration number CT79YZGP?
Umbuzo kuwena ke Gwabeni ilona ukuthi ngazi 26 October 2014 wambona yini umsola wehlanu eshayela yona ke le moto le ebizwa yo ke lana ekuyipolo esilver ngombala?
Akazambona.
I never saw him.
In 2017, when you met Constable Zungu, that is now at the time when you met Constable Zungu, Makosonke Zungu, and accused number 1, did you meet accused number 4 before court?
Ngaye u2017 kathi ke wahlangana naye uConstable Zungu uMakhosonke nomsola wokuqala wahlangana naye umsola wesine?
Akazahlangane naye.
No, I never met him.
Did you meet accused number 5 on that day?
Ngalelo langa lelo wahlangana naye umsola wehlanu?
Lutho.
Nothing.
On that day, that is in 2017, did you see accused number 5 driving a Polo, VW Polo, with registration number CT79YZGP?
Ngalelo langa lelo 2017 wambona yini umsola wehlanu eshayela yona ke le moto ekuyipolo egrey ngombala enabe number CT?
Lutho.
Not at all.
From the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023 at page 19, line 3 to 6, the following was said, and I quote, "All right. Okay, the witness is just correcting something, my lord." That is now what the witness was saying, according to the interpretation. Why are you in firearms again? Because he said that I knew that the .38 was lost. Close quotation. I'm reading it as it is from the record of the proceedings.
Why are you?
Maybe, Mr. Jonas, I must give you the transcribed record so that you will understand where I'm coming from with this question. It is at the top of page 19, Mr. Jonas, line 3 to 6, in the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023.
Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, lana ke ngokwendlela ebhalwe ngakhona ke ithi ke umfakazi ke khona nje asakulungisayo ke kungani Okay, kungani unento okuhlanganisa nezibhamu futhi ngoba ke wathi uyazi ukuthi ke i38 yayidukile noma elahlekile.
This is what Zung is saying. He asked you this question.
Yinto lena ekhulunywa uZungu ethi wakubuza lo mbuzo lona ukuthi yini ehlanganisa nezibhamu futhi.
Unamanga.
He's telling lies, this one.
His response was the following. He said, and I quote from the answer, because this was a question. He said the following. And then he said to me, it is not that one. Close quotation.
Impendulo yakhe yilena ke ethi wabe sethi kumina ke akusona leso.
Awunamanga.
He's telling lies.
In the passage of the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, page 20, line 4 to 13, the following was said. And I quote, I believe him, but also thought that he was just saying this because he was doing this, and then that is when he said to me, these firearms, or give me these firearms here. I carried on shouting at him. Like that. I then heard the door opening behind me. Accused 5 came in. If I remember well, he was wearing a black jacket. He then asked Kwabeni, what is it? Is there a problem? Then Kwabeni said, there is no issue. And he requested me, he said, Uncle, please, when you come in, he was in the company of accused number 4, close quotation.
Uzungu ke nalana ngamkholwa ke kodwa ngangicabanga ukuthi wayekusho nje ngoba wayekwenza lokhu. Yilapho ke athi khona ke letha ibhamu lezo noma ke unginikeze ibhamu. Ngaqhubeka ke ngimthethisa ke usekulokho ke ngase ngizwa ke isicabha ke noma isibalo sivuleka emva kwami. Umsola wesihlanu wangena, uma ngikhumbula kahle wayegqoke ijacket elalimnyama. Wabe esebuza ke kuGwabeni, Gwabeni ikhona yini inkinga? uGwabeni wabe sethi ke cha akho lutho noma ke ayikho inkinga. Wase ecela ke kumina ke ethi malume, kodwa ke uma ungena wayehamba naye umsolwa wesine.
Awunamanga.
Now he's telling lies.
In the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, at page 27, line 2 to 5, he said the following, and I quote, it took time for Makosonke to arrive. Not that much long of the time, but it was some time. If I remember, accused 4 arrived, and on his arrival, he gave me the car keys. Close quotation.
Ngazo i7 lezo sika September 2023 siku page 27 ke manje uZungu uthi kwathatha isikhathi ke ukuthi uMakhosonke afike, kodwa ke kungasona ke isikhathi eside kakhulu, kodwa ke kwakuyisikhathi. Uma ngikhumbula umsola wesine wafika ke, uma efika ke wase nginikeza ikhiya zemoto.
Uqamba ma.
No, he's telling lies.
In the proceedings of the 7th of September 2023, at page 27, from line 7, Constable Zungu said the following. The manner in which I could see it, because I was talking and I could see that it was not there, and when he gave it to me, he also conveyed his gratefulness in the manner he said it, my Lord. It showed that he was being respectful because he made use of both his hands, clapping his hands like that. Close quotation. It is on the 7th of September 2023, page 7, line 6 to 10.
Indlela ke engabona ngayo, ngoba ke wayekhuluma futhi ke ngibona ukuthi kwakungekho lapho, nokuthi futhi ke uma enginikeza noma nkathi enginikeza washo ke ukuthi uyabonga nangendlela akusho ngayo Nkosi enkantolo kwakutshengisa ke ukuthi wayenenhlonipho ngoba wase ke ehlanganisa izandla zakhe zombili ke noma esebenzisa izandla zakhe zombili ke ephaphatha kanje.
Amanga nje lawo.
Those are lies.
Constable Zungu told this court that at that time, it was a time when they were leaving. You then spoke to some gentlemen who were traveling at the taxi return at the gate, that is the main gate of the hostel. What is your comment?
Uthi ke Constable Zungu ngaleso sikhathi leso ke babe isikhathi ke sokuthi babezohamba wena ke wakhuluma ke khona umliso okhuluma umthizeni okhuluma naye ke babehamba ngetekisi.
Ayakhuluma amanga.
No, he's telling lies.
Constable Zungu told this court that on that particular day, that is the 26th of October 2014, there was also the brother of accused number 4, whose names are Mtogo or Ntokozo.
Kubufakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu uthi ngalo lelo langa langa i-26 zika October 2014 kwakukho nomfowabo kaMsola wesine igama lakhe Mthogo or Ntokozo.
Akanayo ngisho umfowabo uTokozo.
He does not even have a brother who's called Ntokozo.
Does he have a brother who is called Mtogo?
Unaye okuthiwa uMthogo.
Akanayo.
He doesn't have.
During the interaction with the police, that is Brigadier Keninda and other police officers that you referred to, was the name of accused number 4 ever mentioned as being one of the persons who were involved in the killing of the deceased in this matter?
Ekuxoxisaneni kwakho noma ekhulumisaneni kwakho namaphoyisa uBrigadier Keninda namanye amaphoyisa ingabe igama likaMsola wesine lavela yini noma la kwakhulunywa yini ngalo ukuthi ke umunye wabantu ababekhona makubulawa umufi uSenzo Meyiwe?
Cha.
No.
During the interaction with the police, that is Brigadier Keninda and other members of the South African Police Services, was the name of accused number 5 ever mentioned as being part of the people who planned and subsequently killed the deceased in this matter?
Ekhulumisaneni kwakho namaphoyisa uBrigadier Keninda kanye namanye amaphoyisa ingabe igama lomsola wesihlanu lavela yini noma lavezwa yini ke ukuthi kwakuwomunye wabantu abahlela baze bathi egcineni ke babulala yena ke umufi uSenzo Meyiwe?
Akazi kwenzeka.
It never happened.
At the time when you were interacting with the police, did you inform the police that accused number 5 was traveling in the
Wesihlanu wayehamba ngePolo iVW?
Lutho.
Not at all.
At the time when you were arrested by the police, was there any items which belonged to you which were taken by the police?
Ngathi ke uboshwa amaphoyisa kukhona yini okwathathwa wena okwakuwo kwakho kwathathwa kuwena amaphoyisa?
Yebo ifoni yami.
Yes, my phone.
Can you give the description of that cell phone?
Ungayichaza leyo phone leyo?
Yebo iP10 Hawaii.
It's a P10 Hawaii.
Did it was it ever returned by the police?
Akubuyisela yona amaphoyisa?
Ayazibuyi namanje.
Never up until now.
Do you know the police who took it?
Uyalazi iphoyisa layithatha?
Ngeke ngilikhumbule kodwa ilela liphethe isibhamu yasithatha endlini lahamba naso lafana ifoni yami phakathi.
Though I won't be able to recall or to remember the police officer, but it's the one that had the firearm also took my phone as well and left with it.
Leyo nombolo leyo egcina ngo-96 number yami ayizi-one lokwasukela lapho nje.
The last Or
I don't know,
that
12.
number, or sorry, that phone ended with a 96 number. And since then, it was never switched on since that day.
Were there any photos that were stored?
Sorry,
Sorry.
I typed the number 12, right? 0766.
the number 12.
Yeah, I know.
The first four numbers was 0766, and then the last number
12.
12.
1, 2.
Were there any photos that were stored in that phone?
Zikhona ithombe ezazikhona kuleyo phone le,
Zaziningi kakhulu.
a lot of them.
Were there any photos that you had which belonged to any of the accused persons before court?
Zikhona iy'thombe owawunazo ekwakuyiy'thombe zabasola laba phambi kwenkantolo.
Ekamuzi nganginazo khona sashuthe khona naye.
I did have Moses' photo. There's a particular place where we took a photo together,
Nekamafika zengoma.
as well as those belonging to Mafika of the traditional dance.
Was that the only photo that you had of accused number 1?
Kwakuyisona kuphela isithombe wawunaso sikamsolo wokuqala.
Zaziningi ithombe zakhe lokuqala.
Accused number 1 had many photos, or there were many photos of accused number 1.
The question that I'm asking you, or questions that I've asked you about the photos of accused number 1, are directed to the evidence of Absalom Zungu. Even though you are not privy to the evidence of Absalom Zungu, I will briefly highlight his evidence for you. Absalom Zungu at some point told this court that Constable Zungu had arrived in Emelo to visit him. He then showed him, that is now in the cell phone of Constable Zungu, a photo which belonged to accused number 1.
Imibuzo ngikubuza yona ke kakhulukazi ngazo isithombe noma ngazo ithombe zakhe umsolo wokuqala ke buya ke kubufakazi bakhe uAbsalom Zungu, noma ke ungeke ubazi ke ubufakazi bakhe ubaba uAbsalom Zungu, kodwa ushilo ke ukuthi ke uma esefika eMelo uConstable Zungu wamtshengisa ke isithombe sakhe umsolo wokuqala.
Yebo.
Yes.
Absalom Zungu then asked Constable Zungu if he had received permission from accused number 1 to have that photo which he had stored in his cell phone.
Ubaba uAbsalom Zungu ke wasembuza ke ngokubufakazi bakhe ke ubaba uZungu wasembuza ke uConstable Zungu ukuthi wacela yini ke kuyena ke umsolo wokuqala imvume yokuthi ke asithwebule lesasithombe lesiya.
Do you
Yes.
follow? The response by Constable Zungu was to the following effect, that he had stolen it. That is, he stole the photo of accused number 1.
Impendulo ke anikeza ngayo yena uConstable Zungu kuyena ke ubaba uAbsalom Zungu ukuthi ke cha kwakuyisithombe sintshontshiwe, amagama ke wasintshontsha ke lesasithombe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Under cross-examination to Constable Zungu, he told this court that he got the photo of accused number 1 from you. What will be your comment?
uConstable Zungu yena ke sehlonywa ngemibuzo ke la enkantolo ebuzwa ke ngaso isithombe lesi, wathi ke uma ephendula ukuthi isithombe leso wasithola kuwena.
Ngibonge nje ukuthi ekhulume lokho okusho ukuthi engachazela inkantolo ifoni yami uConstable Zungu yayazi ukuthi kupho beyathitha amaphoyisa ke mshuthi uConstable Zungu bedibene namaphoyisa.
I'm then grateful that that has been said, which then means that Constable Zungu is aware of my phone's whereabouts because my phone was taken or seized by the police.
What are you saying?
Uthini kahle
Can you
kahle?
clarify that?
Mayethi uConstable Zungu ifoni yami mayithi ithombe kaSibiya wayithola kimi shoot wayithatha efonini yami ifoni yathi amaphoyisa kimi lokho ayithathe ngibopha iphindanga yabuya.
What I'm saying is, if he says that he got that photo from me, then it means that he took that photo from my phone, because my phone was seized by the police and it was never ever returned to me.
When last did you meet accused number 4 before court?
Umsolo wesine wagcina nini ukuhlangana naye?
Umuntu bengamjwayele bengahlale lapho e-hostel.
It's not someone that I was acquainted to. He was not residing in the hostel.
When last had you met accused number 5? Before, that is now in 2014. In 2014, when last did you meet accused number 5 before court?
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Ngo-2014 wawugcine nini ukuhlangana nomsolwa wesihlanu?
Hayi umzala ngaze ngihlale naye.
I've never met my cousin.
During the period of 2014, was Makosonke Zungu employed?
Ngo-2014 ingabe wayesebenza yini uMakhosonke? October 2014.
Ngingeke ngimazi ukuthi wayesebenza noma engasebenzi ngoba ngangimgcine esahlala ekhaya engasasebenzi.
I wouldn't know whether he was employed or not, because the last I checked he was staying back home and unemployed.
From the proceedings of the 11th of September 2023, that is now when Constable Zungu was being cross-examined by my colleague. The following question was posed, and I quote, "Thank you. Did Mr. Kobeni tell you what occasion was about?"
Ebuzwa-ke noma ehlonywa-ke imibuzo yena uConstable Zungu wabuzwa-ke ukuthi wakutshela yini eGwabeni ukuthi-ke kwakuhlanganywe ngani noma umcimbi lona wawungani.
His response was to the following effect: "He did not tell me."
Waphendula wathi-ke akaze angitshele.
Awunamanga.
No, he's telling lies.
May I approach accused 4 and 5? Other than that, I have no further questions. May I approach it?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you, my lord, for the court's indulgence. I have no further questions. Thank
Thanks.
you. Thank you, Kwabeni.